My beautiful people, this is it. This is the fact. Everybody have the right to belong to any religion you want to belong to. You have the right. As far as you are maybe 18 years and above, you have the right to belong to any religion you want to belong to. You have the right to drink alcohol. You have the right to some extent. I know there are also limitations to those rights. This that is happening now in Kano. Some Islamic religious group, they want to gather themselves to hold a meeting. Maybe they want to have some meeting to discuss some issues. Then some elders and some youths coming up to interrupt and say that no, we don't want this kind of gathering. We don't want this kind of gathering. We don't like this kind of meeting. People should put an end to it. Then it's now resulting to violence. See, to all the elders, I know you are protecting yourself. You are trying to protect yourself, so that there will not be problem. And when you are doing that, you have to do it with caution. Okay, you don't want meeting because you are scared of maybe of violence. You meet with them one-on-one, and you tell them, please don't hold meeting here. We don't want it. And they said, no, we just want to, maybe we are not going to stay too long. And the land belongs to one of the Muslim Islamic people. They belong to the people, and you want to buy the land. The person said, I can only sell the land for you 50 million naira. And you said, no, that you can only afford 12 million naira. Okay, that is not even too important. My message here is clear. Please, let's do our best. Let's do our best to remove that religious something from our mind. These people, they are human beings. Of course, they can hold meeting. If that land belongs to him, he can decide to hold meeting on that land. There is no law. There is no law in that state. There is no law in Kano state that man don't have right to hold a meeting in his own piece of land. If there is any law, please prove the law. I'm not in support of fighting. I don't like violence. I don't like this man. According to my channel is Freedom TV. Anybody have rights. Everybody should be free to do whatsoever that the constitution of the country permits us to do. If the constitution says don't do this thing, don't do it. But if the constitution of the country says do it, then you go ahead and do it. Understand? I will use this opportunity to also call on the government, the federal government, to please ensure that there are basic laws that are covering each state on, making use of public place. Like even if it's your land, if you bought a land, you have to develop that land. If you don't develop that land, you have to fence the land round. You don't go to that land and start doing things when you know you have not developed the land. Please, Mr. Man, go and develop the land. If you don't want to develop the land, then you have to sell it and stop holding meeting there. If the constitution say you not to do such thing, stop holding meeting. I don't care to know the kind of meeting you hold there. I don't care to know. It's not important. The most important thing is that you don't need to hold meeting in that place. Understand? That place is not an open place. It's not a place for holding meeting. Go and develop that land. If you don't want to develop it, go and sell it. If you don't want to sell it, then build it. Okay? Thank you so much. Please, secondly, let's stop the violence. Let's stop fighting. Let's stop burning properties. Let's stop all those things. They are not good. All right, I hope you guys will understand what I'm saying. Don't judge me. I'm only advising, and I'm also letting you guys know that this is the right thing to do. When you know the right thing to do, please do it. Thank you all.